everyone, it's me JB from Unique Tutorials. Today in this video I will show you best free widget for Android that shows current playing song, events, custom notes, weather, alarm. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen, right? So firstly just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application name as another widget. Just search this. So on the first list you will see its application's name, so just tap on install to install it firstly. So wait for a few seconds until the complete installation is done. So once the installation is done, tap on open, just tap on allow. So you can see this kind of options, right? So on the first list you will see a typography. So here is a text size. So by default it will show you the day and the month and the date. So you can see here the text size. You can just select the text size. The minimum lowest is 10 and the maximum is up to the 40. So you can select depending upon your needs how much text size you want. So you can see here the text color also. You can select the different text color, so you can see a preview in the app also, right? So and below you can see here if you want to add a secondary text also, there is a different size options for the secondary text size also, and even the colors also available for the secondary text if you want to add below the date and month. So below you can see here widget font is also available, so you can choose a different widget font. So below you can see here a custom font also available, so you can just search a custom font also depending upon your needs. So let me select here one custom fonts. So I'll just select this Allery. So you can see the font's preview style. So you can see here below text shadow. If you don't need a shadow, then you can just press it none. So I will just put it none. And you can see here below a date format. Just tap on it. And you can see here there is options to custom that format. So let me custom here, so you can see here what are the options. So in my case I will just try to change here. So just after the date I will add the month. So I need to add this for capital M. So how it looks, so you can see here. So once you're done, just move back. Now you can see here. So I have customized it depending upon my needs. So I'll just increase the text size. So let me increase it. So let me increase and check. I'll just put it to 40. So in your case, whatever you like, you can just put it. So my date and the month is done. So you can see here below the layout, so you can change the layout. I'll just keep it as it is. You can see a widget align, so where you want to align, in the left, center or right. I will just put it in the center. You can see your text separator. I'll just keep it separate. You can change the background color also. Right now I have used a transparent. So now you can see here clock option is also available. If you tap on the clock, so you will get a different clock options. So right now I'll not use a clock. So you can enable it if you want to make a clock show in this widgets. So below you can see some more options like the calendar, right? So here you can see events, so you can enable all these options if you want the events to get show or displayed on this widget. So right now I will not enable. And there is the options for the weather also. You can just tap on this weather. You can select a different weather provider, which weather provider you want. So you can select a different weather providers, and you can select this refresh frequencies also, even 30 minutes, 24 hours, whatever time. And you can select the unit of measures, whether you want the Fahrenheit or Celsius. Below there is an icon pack also, so you can select the icon packs also. So after the weather, below you can see at a glance, right? So just tap on this. So here you will get a tons of options to include in this widget. So you can see the first option is a current playing song. So I will just try to enable this. So I'll just enable it. So it will see, it will ask you something. We need a notification access. So I will just tap on it and I'll just enable this another widget, click on allow. Now you can see here below music player. So if you use a multiple music player, then you can choose your default music player. So in my case I will just use a Samsung Music, so I will just use a Samsung Music. So in my case I have selected a Samsung Music. So you can see here song information format. You can change the song information format, how it shows, like title and artist, or you can change it like even you can place the album also. I'll just keep it as it is. And now you will see here below, if you want a alarm clock to be included in this widget, then you can just turn on this next alarm, even a battery, custom notes, whatever you like. So let me enable this custom notes right now, and let me add some notes of my own, and I will just click on save. So below you can see your latest notifications. If you want to enable all the notifications that you receive to be shown on this widget, then you can just enable it, but right now I will not enable. You can see your greetings, and you can enable this events also. If you want to enable or show any events or holiday list in this widget, then you can enable this widgets also. Right now I will just keep it as it is, and I will just move back. And what I will do, I'll just go back to this typography. As you can see, the secondary text is in the white in color, so I'll just change it to black, so you can see here. And I'll just check the maximum text size, so I'll just keep it in 18, so it looks far better for me. So in my case I have totally done. Now how to edit this widgets, right? So the settings has been done, so I'll just minimize it. So just tap and hold on your home screen and select the widgets. Now select this another widget, click on add. So you can see here the format you are already seeing here. So below you can see here add widget. Just tap on this. Now the widget has been added, so let me arrange it. So you can see here I have successfully placed my customized widget, so it looks really beautiful and match up with this wallpaper, right? So now let me try to play a music. So let me try to play a music, right? So let me play a music. So you can see here, as soon as I play music, you can see here a music song's name and the singer's name, that is artist name, has been shown here, right? So once I turn it off, then this music will get away and my custom text will be shown again. So definitely a very good widget for Android that shows current playing songs, events, custom notes, weather, alarm, and so and so. So in my opinion, it's a very cool widget that you should definitely give it a try. And the good thing is that this widget is free, so definitely check it out by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.